Alright, what's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good evening. I figure I would make a quick video to show you guys what I was talking about when I was talking about welding in tight spaces, and I was talking about, there's times you can't really get a good weld in like this, so I said flip the lead upside down and weld. So I'm going to give a quick example. Like I said, I just relocated to South Carolina a few months ago, so me being the genius that I am, I got rid of a bunch of some of my welding stuff because I didn't want to have to travel heavy. So I don't have a fabrication table right now to weld on. So I'm going to just be doing it on the ground, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Let me tack this up, and then I'll give you guys a quick example just to show you. So, just a little bit of a quick example. I'm just going to use some square tubing. Nothing crazy, but the principle's still the same. So say you're in a position and you can't get a good weld in like this. Either like for me, for an example, I'm always welding on beams, a lot of like I-beams, so it's hard for me to like get really in there and get a good weld sometimes because it's super tight niche. So what I was saying was this, that you take your lead, flip it upside down like this, and you hold it like this. You see how I have the lead? Almost like when you have those Miller robotic welders, like those robot welders, they're kind of like pretty much positioned like this all the time, if you've ever seen any of them. So pretty much you hold it like this. And pretty much you get the gist. Like I said, nothing crazy. It's just little tricks of the trade that helps you out a lot. Things like that. And then, like I said, you want to learn how to do it left-handed, right-handed. You want to be able to weld both ways. So, say you're left-handed. So I was holding like this if I'm right-handed, because I am naturally right-handed. If you're left-handed, just hold it like this. Just pretty much opposite. You get the gist, same principle applies. So I hope this helps you guys out. Hopefully soon I'm gonna get my my setup, so I'll be able to make videos with a fabrication table. It's a lot easier, but right now I'm just gonna make do with what I have. So I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you.